Hello guys, welcome to another video on Java programming tutorial. So now in this video we're going to discuss about static blocks and static uh, methods. So let's get started. This was wait a minute. Yes, we stopped over here. Like stopped at the static variable. So now let's discuss about static methods. Static methods. So first, let me explain you what are methods. Methods are similar to functions in C programming language. So what is a function or what is a method? It's a small piece of code which executes only upon a call. So first, a method has following things. It has a return type or return type followed by method name followed by arguments followed by the body. Returns some it returns some value. Not always. So first let's discuss about methods in brief. So this is how you write a method. So methods are there in class. These are referred as set of operations, or yes, these are referred as set of operations, and these are also called as submethods or subroutines. So this is how you write a method. Let me explain you, like let me show you the example. Snippet. So yes, now int add index comma int y. Here you write some code followed by return 0 or return 1. So actually the return types are generally the data types except one, which is void. If you specify your return type as void, then your method will not return anything. So this is how you write a method. So first let's create a new Java program and show a method demonstration. So method demo.java is my file name. So let's write class method demo. In this class method demo, I'll have some data, and a equals to, say, for example, let's take char ch is assigned to, say, single quotes Vishnu, and void show data is my method. In this void show data method, I'm going to print using system.out.println, and in this I'm going to print ch for my semicolon. Yes, so that's fine. And next you have to write the main method, public static void main string args. In this main method, okay, there are two ways to write this. You can also write the braces here, the array here, or you can write the array here as well, it does not matter. So in my main method I would like to create an object for this class. That means just copy this, paste it here, method demo, let's create an object obj is new method demo. This is a constructor, so obj dot show data. So before this video, you please watch my naming convention video to understand why I'm writing like this. So please watch that. So let's save this program. Let's open our command prompt. So Java C space method demo Java. Let's compile that. Okay, character apparently absolute 1. So yes, yes. So single quotes cap. Next, let's execute this. Java space method demo st. So that's how a method. That's how you write a method. And here we're not specifying anything because uh, we're just passing the. We're just specifying void. That's why. So that's method, and now let's discuss about static methods. So static methods can be called directly, like by right static here. Let's save this program, and I don't need this object anymore. And let's compile this again. Okay, and this must be static as well. Static. I can save this, and yes, when I run this, it's giving me T. So here, if you notice, I didn't use any object to call the static method. So now you know what is a static, what is void, and what is main. I have to explain this string args to you, and as well as this public part. So in this earlier in my first or second video, I told you that I'll explain about static and void. I'll explain about the main method. Now I've explained about static and void. So now I have to explain main and public and main. So please stay tuned. And now we have something called a static block. So what is static block? A static block is such block, see like this. Static block in which whatever you write it gets executed directly. For example, let's say system.out.println. Let's write this is a static block followed by a semicolon. Save the program, recompile this, run. So first this static block gets executed, then our main method gets executed. So that's about static block, static uh, this thing, static keyword and static method. So please like, share, comment, subscribe on my video. Also please follow me on Instagram. I will give you the link in the description box below. Thank you.